Signal Brief 3, Situational Literacy, How Operators Can Read Environments Before They Turn Against them. This week's doctrine. Situational literacy is the mental architecture that lets you understand the environment at the speed it can hurt you. It's not awareness, it's not comprehension. It's the operator's way of reading a room, except that room might be a medical triage bay, a nightclub stairwell, a detention intake corridor, a client's vehicle in an urban choke point, or a roadside checkpoint you didn't expect to drive into. Real operators don't get to choose their terrain. They read whatever reality hands them, and they read it fast. The three-layer model. Situational literacy breaks into three simultaneous layers. Number one, the static layer, the terrain. This is the skeleton of the environment, the structures that determine options, and everyone else's. Key elements, choke points, exits, official and improvised, cover versus concealment, lighting gradients, reflective surfaces, windows, steel doors, vehicle panels, elevation differences, blind spots, camera zones, crowd channels, and bottlenecks. This applies whether you're in a hospital hallway you've walked 1,000 times, a parking structure you've never seen before, a client's rural property, or the back roads of a third-world city where GPS is just decorative. The static layer determines what is possible before anyone moves. Number two, dynamic layer, people in motion. This is the human component. People telegraph their intentions long before they articulate them. Watch for gate changes, fixations on exits, compulsive scanning, target locking, grooming gestures, face touching, shirt tugging, emotional displacement, finger tapping, pacing, pressure speech, odd bulges, weight pulling pockets down, pant legs that bunch around the shoes, concealing possible weapons. Professionals who work patrol or EP learn this fast. Professionals who learn medical security learn it faster. Professionals who work detention learn it at gunpoint. Different worlds, same human tells. And number three, we have the ambient layer, tone. Tone is the pressure in a room, the emotional temperature. Tone shifts before the situation does. You'll notice it first in silence that becomes stiff, voices that tighten, staff becoming clipped or excessively deferential, a crowd losing its cohesion, someone's energy sharpening or going flat. Tone is the most neglected layer. It's also the earliest warning. If you learn to read tone, you win the timeline. Part 2. Trajectory, the operator's real edge. Situational literacy isn't about predicting events. It's about recognizing direction. Tension moves, and it moves in patterns. From agitation to testing boundaries to escalation. From confusion to argument to meltdown. From boredom to mischief to group chaos. From intoxication to impaired judgment to volatility. From stress to tunnel vision to catastrophic error. Professionals at every level, from the brand new guard to the seasoned investigator, benefit from recognizing these trajectories early. This is why experience matters, but training matters more. Part 3, application across disciplines. Situational literacy is universal. In medical security, reading patient escalation before it hits the clinical threshold. In corporate security, detecting social engineering and manipulation in lobby environments. In nightclubs and bar security, identifying the single individual who will ignite the entire crowd. In EP and bodyguard work, reading atmospherics seconds before your principal does. In PI and surveillance, identifying counter-surveillance, pattern breaks, and staging behavior. In detention and corrections, reading room tone before a tear flips. On patrol, reading a neighborhood's rhythm, shift, mid-shift. In convoy or extraction ops, reading traffic anomalies and environmental tension before your vehicle becomes the focal point. Your career path doesn't matter. Your environment doesn't matter. The cognitive engine is the same. Part 4. Training the mind to read faster. Situational literacy improves with disciplined practice. Number 1. Walk into any room and map it immediately. Static, dynamic, ambient. Make this automatic. Number 2. Narrate trajectory in real time. I'm watching X behavior. Go to Y, likely outcome. Number 3. Practice micro-observations. One person, one detail, one inference. Number 4. Slow your internal tempo. Reading requires the mind to arrive before the body. Number 5. Don't overthink it. You're building intuition, not scripts. When your brain starts reading a grocery store aisle like it's a low-budget surveillance op, congratulations, you're entering the operator's mindset. Just don't try to clear the cereal aisle. They frown on that. Part 6, the takeaway. Situational literacy transforms operators, not by giving them more force, but by giving them more time. More time leads to better decisions. Better decisions leads to better outcomes. Better outcomes lead to operational longevity. This is the mental foundation built into Fox Bravo and expanded in Fox Protocol Academy. Fieldcraft, Mindcraft, Cognitive Edge over Chaos. Signal Brief 3 complete.